Welcome back, guys. So, as you probably saw from the title, I'm going to be installing this Snow Stage 2.5 methanol injection kit on the Speed 6. A few reasons why. I'm kind of maxed out on 93 octane gas. So far in the tune I peak out about 25.5, sometimes 26 pounds of boost. And the latest revision I uploaded, I had a little more knock, so this is going to actually spray in there. It's going to keep the knock in check. It's also going to clean the valves and keep the intake track nice and cool. So I'm going to open this up and see what we got. I did a couple upgrades on this kit. This is the Sno-210 2.5 stage. So we got our hoses for our pump, and I'm kind of familiar with this kit. I did have a Snow Performance methanol injection on my supercharged Camaro. So this comes with all the fittings we're going to need: a float level, some goop, mounting bolts. Looks like we got a fuse holder in there, so we'll have to install that. We got our pump that looks like it was thrown around in the box. You can see the little cap flew out of there too. We'll put that back in there. It doesn't look like there's any damage though. They changed the logo on their pump. Alright, so we got the pump. And we got the tank, which is, I believe this is, how many quarts is this? Not sure, but I'm not using this. So I had a small one in my Camaro and I had to fill it up a little bit. So we'll leave that there. And we have the VC50 gauge controller. Pull this out. That'll be pretty cool in the car. So that's the VC50 gauge. That'll show us it's spraying. That'll tell us when the fluid's low. The only thing I'm waiting on is a throttle body spacer from Damon Motorsports. Stick that back in there. So that's the Snow 2.5 stage kit. That's what you get with that. And I upgraded to this guy right here. I picked up, that wasn't good, 4 gallons of the boost juice. Alright, we stepped up to this 2.5 gallon tank. So this is going to be a lot bigger than the one provided in the kit, which, like I said, it's only a quarter, so that's what you get in the kit. This is the 2.5 gallon one. So that I'm going to mount in the trunk, and we'll figure out all of that stuff. They give us some extra hose, some more goop, the hardware to mount that, and the straps. I'll give you these pair of straps to mount that tank. Now, when they say when you're running a rear reservoir to use a solenoid, and it comes with this 2.5 gallon upgrade kit, this cuts off the flow, so when you're not spraying the meth and the system's off, it won't siphon it. But also when you're running a throttle body spacer or you're spraying after the throttle body, that could be under vacuum. So you definitely want the solenoid. This I'm going to mount up front towards the car, next to the injection point. That way I don't lose a lot of fluid in the line, and it'll always be nice and primed when I go to spray it. So that's what we got. I'm probably just going to mount the tank, the pump, run a line, figure out the wiring, so stay tuned for that.